What's up, everybody? I know I mentioned this morning that I was going to have a huge announcement later on today, and here it is. So this is especially going to be targeted to you if you're on the fence, if you want to jump into this online business. I want to mention something that that my team came up with yesterday, and I'm going to show it to you here in a second. I'll switch the screen right now, but this is for people that have jumped onto our hands-on team. You guys know that, of course, most of the work is done for you. 90% of the work is done for you, such as you get to leverage a system that's already in place. You get tools that are already set up for you. You get to leverage a phone team. So let's say you promote a product that the team has created. If you promote that product, the team will close the sale for you. They'll do the follow-up. They'll do the phone thing, everything for you. Your task, of course, is just to put in a little bit of the work and promote the product. This is especially beneficial to a beginner because you don't have to create any tech setup or any emails, anything like that. So I want to show you the bonus that was just announced yesterday. So I'm only showing this to you because you're in my Facebook group, but this is only available for people that are part of the hands-on team. So let's switch over. Aside from learning all the high income skills in order to, make 4 or 5 figures a month, let's say you work a full-time job, you can still do this a few hours a day. Now, if you don't know already, when you join the team, you also are able to jump into our affiliate program. That way you get to earn while you learn. You get to earn commissions while you're learning the whole business setup and things like that. Now, this was just rolled out yesterday. So let me break it down for you here at the bottom. So with this program, at minimum, you can make $2,000. You can make a $2,000 commission of one product that you recommend. So let's say you do 5 sales. You get 5 people to buy what you're promoting. 5 times 2,000, that gives you 10,000 in commissions. But you're actually getting a bonus this time. From now until December 7th, I believe, you're eligible for a bonus. So instead of just making 5 sales and making 10,000, you would actually be able to get a $5,000 bonus to make it a total of 15,000. Now, I've never been part of any affiliate product or program. I've never promoted anyone that does this. I mean, this is unheard of to me, and I wanted to share it with you. So let's go to the next level. Let's say you recommend this product and 10 people buy. 10 times 2, that gets you $20,000 already. 20,000. But you get a $10,000 bonus. So in total, you can make 30. Now this basically goes all the way up, 20 sales, 30 sales, 40. But look at this one. Let's say from here all the way to December 7th, you make 75 sales. You get 75 people to recommend this to buy this product. Now, when it says sales, I want you to understand you're not selling anything. You're promoting a product and you're leveraging the system that's in place right now with our team. So let's say 75 people are interested. The team will actually take care of everything else, the follow-up, the phone, everything. 75 people buy. 75 times 2, that gets you 150,000 already. But you'd also get a $100,000 bonus. So in total, you can make up to 250 grand. I have no words. I don't know. I don't know about you, but this seems like an irresistible offer right here. And this is just one perk about joining the hands-on team right now. This was just rolled out yesterday. I wanted to share it with you. And on top of that, this is something I didn't want to share yet, but I've had a lot of people message me asking me, when am I going to open up my mentorship? When am I going to open up my coaching? Why not now? So I want to help you reach some of these bonuses. Let's say your goal is to make 10,000. All you need is for people to buy it 5 times. 5 people to buy the product, that gets you 10,000, but you're also eligible for a $5,000 bonus. Let's say you do 30. 30 people buy what you're promoting from here to December 7th, you get $2,000 minimum for each commission. 30 times 2, that'll get you 60,000 plus a bonus of 30,000. So in total, you get 90,000 if 30 people buy what you're promoting. I don't know anyone else that's doing this. This is so wild to me. I was waiting to open up my hands-on until July. I had only mentioned this probably to 1 or 2 people that are in my Facebook group right now, but I want to share it with you. I don't see why this isn't as good of time as ever to open it back up, especially with the bonus like this, so I can help people get these results. That's what I want to do. I want to help you get these results. So if this is something that interests you, if you wanna jump in and you want to take things seriously, you want to get hands-on help, you're ready to invest time, maybe you're ready to invest some income to get these hands-on help, comment down below. Comment down below bonus. Comment the word bonus, and I will personally reach out to you. I'll tell you what you need to do. And one more thing, I'm only gonna open this up for 5 people, no more than 5 people. So I hope you take action. I hope to hear from you. And again, only 5 people. I'm only gonna be helping 5 people. So yeah. On top of all the bonus, I'm opening up my hands-on coaching as well.